I worked at a mouthguard company for years, and now I am exposing everything they keep from customers.
They've been profiting off your snoring for years, but you can stop snoring permanently with just 5 minutes of daily tongue and throat exercises. Thousands of people have already stopped snoring permanently, and the clinical studies, they back it up. Just answer a few questions on the Airway Trainer app and get a personalized plan in seconds. Don't let them profit from something you can fix at home. Just click below and see the difference in 2 weeks.